Temperature guns. These handy tools are perfect for checking temperatures in hard-to-reach places. They are essential for HVAC technicians, electricians, and even home cooks. With just a point and shoot, they provide instant readings, saving time and effort. Different models come with various features. General Tools Non-Contact. Discover precision with the General Tools Non-Contact Digital Laser Temperature Gun. Perfect for cooking, barbecue, and food safety checks. Measure temperatures from -4 to 608 degrees Fahrenheit quickly and accurately. Ideal for fridge monitoring, pizza oven calibration, and engine diagnostics. Easy to use with laser targeting for pinpoint accuracy. A reliable tool for everyday tasks and culinary adventures. Advantages: great for cooking, barbecue, and more. This non-contact laser temperature gun offers precise readings, no need to touch hot surfaces, ensures accurate temperature monitoring. Get reliable results every time. Perfect for checking food doneness and fridge settings. Versatile use across various environments. From pizza ovens to engines, it handles it all. Safe and hygienic operation. Avoids contamination and potential burns. IR Laser Thermometer. Discover precise temperature readings with the IR Laser Thermometer Temperature Gun. Perfect for cooking, barbecue, or making iced tea. This non-contact infrared thermometer measures from -58 degrees Fahrenheit to 1022 degrees Fahrenheit. Adjustable emissivity ensures accurate results on various surfaces. The clear LCD display makes it easy to read temperatures quickly. Ideal for both home and industrial use. Advantages: effortless temperature checks from a distance with non-contact design. This feature ensures safety, especially in industrial settings, eliminating direct contact with hot surfaces. Versatile usage for cooking, barbecue, and iced tea making. Perfect for quickly gauging the temperature of various foods and drinks, enhancing culinary precision. Adjustable emissivity for accurate readings across different materials. This flexibility allows users to measure temperature with precision regardless of the object's surface. ET650D Temperature Gun by Discover. Precise temperature readings with the ET650D Temperature Gun by Enologic. Perfect for measuring surface temperatures in challenging environments. Dual laser technology ensures accurate targeting, spanning a wide range from -58 Fahrenheit to 1200 Fahrenheit. NIST certification option adds reliability for professional use. Quick and easy infrared readings enhance efficiency for various tasks. Ideal for cooking, maintenance, and industrial applications. Advantages: precise temperature readings ensure reliable results every time. Dual laser targeting improves accuracy and reduces measurement errors. Wide temperature range suits various applications and industries. Non-contact design allows safe measurement from a distance. NIST option provides certified accuracy for critical tasks. Atexity Infrared Thermometer. Discover the versatility of the Atexity Infrared Thermometer Temperature Gun 800. Perfect for precise temperature readings. Measures from -58 Fahrenheit to 1382 Fahrenheit. Ideal for cooking, pizza ovens, and more. Features a 16:1 distance-to-spot ratio for accuracy. The bright yellow design makes it easy to spot in any tool collection. Enjoy quick, non-contact measurements with this reliable digital laser tool. Advantages: perfect for precise temperature reading. The Atexity Infrared Thermometer offers exceptional accuracy. Useful for various surfaces like pizza ovens and griddles. Effortless non-contact measurement. Avoids direct contact with hot surfaces. Safety and comfort in use are ensured. Ideal for measuring engine or pool temperatures. Wide temperature range supports diverse applications. Measures from -58 degrees Fahrenheit to 1382 degrees Fahrenheit. Suitable for cooking and industrial tasks. Seek 1 Heat Gun 1800W. Discover the power of the Seek 1 Heat Gun. It heats up quickly, reaching temperatures from 122 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Perfect for crafts, shrinking PVC, and stripping paint. Variable temperature control ensures precision for every task. Built-in overheat protection guarantees safety during use. Includes 4 nozzles for versatile applications. Advantages: versatile temperature range suits diverse projects. From crass to PVC shrinking, paint stripping is easy with precise heat control. Tailor the temperature to your needs. Fast heating saves time. Get to work without delays. Efficient heat delivery makes tasks quicker and easier.